Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. I just want to do a live withdrawal from the last app I told you guys that pays a time for just doing some little task like liking videos, liking pictures, and inviting your friends to join. Okay, so it's very simple. Let me withdraw some money because I see some people was asking me, does it really pay and all that. So let me now do a live withdrawal right here. I told you guys, if you come here, you click on this your balance. Okay, you click on your balance and all that. To know how to join this, please watch the last two videos. I'll draw to my sisters and my brothers number. I don't normally use it to my own. I just want to withdraw for their own account. All right, this is number of one of my sibling. So I want to withdraw it to that account. So this is how I'm doing it. Very simple. This is just how to withdraw. I'm trying to withdraw this money to this account. So let me check the network this boy sent to me. This boy said it's MTN. See these children, they can be a problem. Every time they giving me request this one. They think money is plot on top of the tree. They don't know that the money is being worked for. Anyway, that's their life. So let me just withdraw for this. I'll just click on OK and success. This money has been withdrawn to the account number. That's phone number. I withdrawn 300 naira to that boy's phone number right now. So let me withdraw for my other sister too. So that's how I do these things. I don't use for myself. I just do it for my younger ones. This is my younger sister. So let me withdraw to his. All right. 234. You see, I put my country code here. So don't 234. Please, I cover this because I don't want people to be start calling them. That's why I cover it for confidential purposes. All right. So this one said is Excel. It said is Excel number. So I withdraw 300 also to this number. All right. So I have only every day I have one chance of withdrawal. I withdrawn one for that boy. So by tomorrow I'm going to withdraw another one for this person. You see that withdrawal is now successful. So I'll draw once today. So until tomorrow, I will draw again. That's how it is. Very simple and easy. So how do you join? I've already done that already. But also I will drop the link of how to withdraw of the last video on this comment section, and also the link to join. All right, once you click on the link, it will take you to the website, and the app will download. You will download the app, or the app will download automatically. Now the next thing is you open the app. When you open the app, it will look like this. You will click on this small box downside here. Click on that small box downside. Okay, click on this box you are seeing at the bottom. This box here, click on that box, and it will take you to this point. It will take you to this page. You log in using your phone number. Use your phone number to log in. Don't use email address. I use phone number to log in. So after you log into your account, you will click on friends code. Click on friends code so that you can get bonus for being referred by me. You will get a bonus of, click on this friend code here, and you add my referral code. Same here, my referral code. My referral code is this. You add my referral code to get bonus. This my referral code. This is 66565. That's my referral code. I will drop it also on this video description, so that you can If you join you with my code, you're going to earn 6,000 as in point, which is equals to 50 naira that you can withdraw instantly. Okay, so after you have done that with my code, you are going to earn your money here will change to 6,000 points. Okay, then you click on this spine, click on spine to spine your lucky spine. Currently I don't have any spine here, so I'm not going to spine here. But if you already have, you see the number of spine that you have here. So you just click on start, and it will run round and give you a value. It will remain 2. Do it until it is 0. Then you go back here. Your work is to like uh to like pictures. Click on compose. Click on compose. This is the compose here. Click on this compose. Click on compose, and you see pictures to like. This is pictures you're going to like. Just be liking these pictures. Anyone you click on like. You go back, you click on yeah, that is what your work. You just click see pictures. You just be clicking like, and after you have clicked enough you want, you come back to this open here, this box here, to be clicking the open session. Just be clicking this open until, because this time 0 turns will be equals to the number of or this will be equals to the number of pictures you have liked already. So you click on them to get the value, the bonus, the value of the liked picture. And once you click anyone, you get a value that will add to this your money here, and that is how you get in. So that is just your work. That is just your work. And you can also invite your friends by clicking on invite friends, and giving them your code to use. Once your friend you join with your code, you will earn extra 6,000 points, which is 50 naira and all that. So if you join with my code now, I'm going to earn that same bonus as you will earn, because you use my code to register. Alright guys, go ahead and do that so that you can be making small profits, small airtime for yourself to browse the internet, call friends and family. Some people even sell these cards, because me now, if I want to sell it, I can sell it. I already made over 2,000 naira from this application without paying a dime, just picture liking and referrals. Okay, that's why I show you guys, because it has paid me not once, not twice, not 3 times, over 5 times I've withdrawn, and you see live and direct that I've withdrawn. So just click to withdraw. Click on your balance, the balance at the top here, and it will come over to this point, and here you see the amount. The amount has the points to that it needs to withdraw. You can click on this 15 naira. Yeah, click on confirm, and your number, or you click on this one and your number, or this one and your number, or this one. So anyone that you want to withdraw, that you have the points that can withdraw it, just click on that one, then click on confirm. As you can see, at the moment I have up to 700 naira here. Look at the amount of naira here. I have up to 700 naira here that I can withdraw to my account. But because I've done one today, tomorrow I will do another one. So that's how it is being done. Alright guys, this is HumbleFx, and have a great day. Enjoy.